Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add voiceover to your animated text on InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor app on my mobile phone, and I'm going to create new project. I'm going to click on video. I'm going to click on video and then select new. And here I'm just going to add blank clip to my project. Okay, and let's create the animated text first. So I'm gonna change the canvas, and I'm going to add text to this project. I'm gonna click on text and then select text, and for example I'm just going to type in hello everyone. Okay, and I'm going to animate this text. To create animated text, I'm gonna go to the animation, and then I'm going to choose the single letter. Okay, I'm going to customize the duration. Alright, and I'm gonna click on the check mark. Okay, and now the text has been animated, and I'm going to add a voiceover for this text. If we want to add voiceover, we can use AI speech shown by this icon. You can select the AI speech, and then you're going to choose the voice. You need to click on the text first, and then you can click on add speech. Okay, and then you're going to select the voice for your voiceover. And for me, I'm just going to choose this one.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
This is every voice.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
And then we can click on start to add the voiceover to the animated text. Okay, and now the voiceover has been added, and let's play it.
Hello everyone.
Okay, actually you can add your own voice, but you need to add it manually. If you want to add your own voice, you can go to the voiceover menu. You can add voiceover. Just click on audio, and then you can click on record to record your own voice. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add voiceover to your animated text on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.